How to change font style on Vivo Y02t mobile phone. Okay guys, you'll have to do is go to settings. And settings, go to display and brightness. And display and brightness, scroll down and go to font style. You can tap this. And now the font style is set into default. You can set the classic font or change into classic font by tap the classic fonts and tap the apply button below to apply the classic font. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the font style. And also you can download more by tap the download more button below, but you need to connect to internet before downloading the font style you want. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the font style on your Vivo Y02t mobile phone.